This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Kelly Ryan. Beautifully updated 2-bed 2-bath condo with stunning mountain views from the large extended balcony, with elegant crown molding and open floor plan. Features energy-efficient sliding glass doors in 2018. New flooring throughout in 2019, HVAC replaced in 2022 and freshly painted. Modern upgrades to both bathrooms and kitchen, right across from Lakeshore Park and PRIME location with easy access to I-40, downtown, and in the heart of Bearden. This condo is perfection. Amenities include elevator access, outdoor pool, grounds maintenance, laundry center, mail center, water/sewer, trash, and basic cable. For more information, review the details below.